Hey guys, just checking in. I just finished 6 weeks removed from my stem cell treatment with Reju in Medellin. The experience in Medellin was fantastic. The bilingual staff, the clean spaces that they work in, the city's fantastic. So I had a great experience. Actually, what I had initially been hoping to do was address a torn tricep tendon, which was affecting my elbow and tricep area. And also just from a accumulation of injuries from ice hockey over the years, I was hoping that the overall stem cell drip would help with some pain and range of motion issues. I can happily report that after 6 weeks, I have no pain in my elbow where the local injections were done. And I have noticed that since the stem cell treatment, I haven't had any mornings where I woke up with any shoulder, neck, back stiffness or kinks or strains or anything, which was a common issue for me. So I'm very happy with where the process is as of now. I've spent the last 2 weeks doing light band work in the gym, which was nice to get back on track with that. And actually today was the first time that I started using machines in the gym, and I feel great. There's no pain. So I'm looking forward to seeing how this goes over the next couple months. And I can't recommend Reju enough. The entire process was great. What led me to choosing Reju over some other options was Medellin being such a great destination to do the treatment compared to some other options in the market, and also the quality of the stem cells, which is something that I'm not sure a lot of people understand or really look into, but I really took my time making a decision and found that Reju has the highest quality stem cells in the game. So it was an easy decision for me. It wasn't about the glitz and the glamour, it's about the results, and I feel like I'm on a good path to getting the results I was hoping for. So just a shout out everybody at Reju. Thanks so much. See you guys soon. And for anyone else considering stem cells or Reju, they get a 5-star review out of me. Thanks guys.